SnS Associates. Before we start our new video, request you please subscribe our YouTube channel and also listen to our podcast or radio station. Link is in description.
Welcome to SnS Associates. I am your friendly chatbot. My name is Sachin. Today we are going to discuss about false ceiling and its types. For more details you can call us on Pune 989-002-5135, Mumbai 932-017-7580, Goa 827-573-5501. Let's start the discussion now. A false ceiling, also known as a drop ceiling, suspended ceiling, or secondary ceiling, is a ceiling system installed below the main structural ceiling of a room or space. It creates a gap between the two ceilings, providing several functional and aesthetic benefits. Here are some key points about false ceilings. 1. Construction. False ceilings are typically constructed using a grid framework of metal channels or tracks, which are suspended from the main ceiling using wires or other supports. Ceiling tiles or panels are then placed within this grid framework. These panels can be made from various materials including gypsum, mineral fibers, metal, PVC, or other synthetic materials. 2. Purpose. Aesthetic enhancement. False ceilings can improve the appearance of a room by concealing structural elements such as wiring, pipes, ducts, and beams. They provide a smooth and uniform surface that can be painted or finished to complement the interior design. Acoustic control. Certain types of false ceilings are designed to enhance acoustic performance by absorbing sound and reducing reverberation within a room. This can improve speech intelligibility and create a more comfortable environment, especially in spaces like offices, theaters, or classrooms. Insulation. False ceilings can also provide thermal insulation by creating an additional layer of airspace between the main ceiling and the room below. This helps to reduce heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer, thereby improving energy efficiency. Lighting integration. False ceilings offer a convenient means of integrating lighting fixtures, air diffusers, speakers, and other components into the ceiling structure. Recessed lighting fixtures and track lighting can be easily installed within the grid framework, allowing for flexible and customizable lighting designs. 3. Types. There are various types of false ceilings available, each offering different properties and benefits. Common types include gypsum board ceilings, mineral fiber ceilings, metal ceilings, PVC ceilings, and wood ceilings. The choice of material depends on factors such as budget, aesthetic preferences, acoustic requirements, and fire resistance. 4. Installation and maintenance. Installing a false ceiling involves suspending the grid framework from the main ceiling and fitting the panels or tiles into place. The installation process can be relatively quick and straightforward compared to other ceiling options. Maintenance typically involves periodic cleaning and occasional replacement of damaged panels or tiles. 5. Applications. False ceilings are commonly used in residential, commercial, and institutional buildings. They are particularly popular in offices, retail spaces, hospitals, schools, hotels, and airports, where they offer a combination of functionality, aesthetics, and practicality. Overall, false ceilings provide a versatile solution for enhancing the appearance, comfort, and functionality of interior spaces while also offering practical benefits such as acoustic control, thermal insulation, and integration of lighting and other building services. Advantages of false ceiling. False ceilings offer several advantages, making them a popular choice for both residential and commercial spaces. Here are some of the key advantages. 1. Aesthetic enhancement. False ceilings provide a smooth and uniform surface that can improve the overall appearance of a room. They hide structural elements such as wiring, pipes, ducts, and beams, creating a cleaner and more visually appealing space. False ceilings come in a variety of designs, colors, and finishes, allowing for customization to suit different interior styles and preferences. 2. Acoustic control. Certain types of false ceilings are designed to enhance acoustic performance by absorbing sound and reducing reverberation within a room. This can improve speech intelligibility, reduce noise levels, and create a more comfortable environment, especially in spaces such as offices, classrooms, theaters, and recording studios. 3. Thermal insulation. False ceilings create an additional layer of airspace between the main ceiling and the room below, providing thermal insulation. This helps to reduce heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer, thereby improving energy efficiency and reducing heating and cooling costs. 4. Lighting integration. False ceilings offer a convenient means of integrating lighting fixtures into the ceiling structure. Recessed lighting fixtures, track lighting, LED panels, and other types of lighting can be easily installed within the grid framework, allowing for flexible and customizable lighting designs. Integrated lighting can enhance the ambience of a room and provide efficient illumination where needed. 5. Concealment of services. False ceilings conceal unsightly electrical wiring, plumbing, HVAC ducts, and other building services, creating a cleaner and more organized appearance. This not only improves the aesthetics of the space but also enhances safety by protecting these services from accidental damage. 6. Versatility. False ceilings are available in various materials, including gypsum board, mineral fiber, metal, PVC, and wood, offering versatility in terms of design, performance, and cost. Different materials have different properties such as fire resistance, moisture resistance, acoustic performance, and aesthetic appeal, allowing for selection based on specific requirements and budget considerations. 7. Ease of installation and maintenance. Installing a false ceiling is generally quicker and less disruptive than other ceiling options. The grid framework can be easily suspended from the main ceiling, and the panels or tiles can be fitted into place relatively quickly. Maintenance typically involves periodic cleaning and occasional replacement of damaged panels or tiles, which is also straightforward compared to other ceiling types. Overall, false ceilings provide a practical and aesthetically pleasing solution for enhancing the comfort, functionality, and appearance of interior spaces while also offering benefits such as acoustic control, thermal insulation, lighting integration, and concealment of services. Type of false ceiling. Metal false ceilings offer a range of benefits and are commonly used in commercial, industrial, and even some residential settings. Here are some advantages of metal false ceilings. 1. Durability. Metal false ceilings, often made of aluminum or steel, are highly durable and resistant to damage from moisture, fire, and pests. This durability ensures a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent maintenance or replacement. 2. Aesthetic appeal. Metal false ceilings provide a modern and sleek appearance to a space. They come in various finishes, including smooth, textured, perforated, or patterned designs, allowing for customization to suit different interior styles and preferences. Metal ceilings can enhance the visual appeal of offices, retail stores, restaurants, and other commercial spaces. 3. Fire resistance. Metal false ceilings offer excellent fire resistance, making them a safe choice for buildings where fire safety is a concern. In the event of a fire, metal ceilings can help contain the spread of flames and reduce the risk of structural damage. 4. Easy installation. Metal false ceilings are relatively lightweight and easy to install compared to other ceiling materials. The metal panels or tiles can be quickly fitted into the grid framework, resulting in faster installation times and reduced labor costs. 5. Maintenance. Metal ceilings are easy to clean and maintain. They are resistant to staining, mold, and mildew, making them suitable for environments where hygiene is important, such as hospitals, kitchens, and laboratories. Regular maintenance typically involves wiping the surface with a damp cloth or mild detergent to remove dust and dirt. 6. Acoustic performance. Metal false ceilings can be designed to improve acoustic performance by incorporating sound-absorbing materials or perforations. This helps reduce noise levels within a space, improving speech intelligibility and creating a more comfortable environment for occupants. 7. Light reflectance. Metal ceilings have high light reflectance properties, which can help enhance the brightness and overall illumination of a room. This is particularly beneficial in spaces where natural light is limited or where efficient lighting is required, such as offices, retail stores, and classrooms. 8. Environmentally friendly. Metal false ceilings are recyclable and can be reused at the end of their lifespan, making them an environmentally friendly choice. Additionally, metal ceilings may contribute to energy efficiency by reflecting heat and reducing the need for artificial cooling in warmer climates. Overall, metal false ceilings offer a combination of durability, aesthetic appeal, fire resistance, ease of installation, and low maintenance requirements, making them a popular choice for a wide range of commercial and industrial applications. Gypsum false ceiling. Gypsum false ceilings, also known as gypsum board ceilings or plasterboard ceilings, are a popular choice for interior ceiling applications due to their versatility, affordability, and ease of installation. Here are some advantages of gypsum false ceilings. 1. Smooth and uniform surface. Gypsum false ceilings provide a smooth and uniform surface, creating a clean and aesthetically pleasing appearance in interior spaces. The flat surface allows for easy painting or application of decorative finishes to match the overall decor of the room. 2. Easy installation. Gypsum false ceilings are relatively lightweight and can be easily installed by attaching gypsum boards to a metal or wooden framework. This installation process is quicker and less labor-intensive compared to other ceiling materials, reducing construction time and costs. 3. Versatility. Gypsum boards are available in various sizes and thicknesses, allowing for flexibility in design and customization. They can be easily cut, shaped, and molded to create different ceiling profiles and architectural features such as arches, curves, or drop sections. 4. Fire resistance. Gypsum false ceilings offer good fire resistance, making them a safe choice for interior applications. Gypsum boards are composed of gypsum plaster sandwiched between layers of paper or fiberglass, which helps to slow down the spread of flames in the event of a fire. 5. Sound insulation. Gypsum false ceilings can improve acoustic performance by absorbing sound and reducing noise transmission between rooms or floors. Additional insulation materials can be installed above the gypsum boards to further enhance soundproofing properties, making them suitable for use in residential, commercial, and educational buildings. 6. Moisture resistance. Moisture-resistant gypsum boards are available for use in areas with high humidity levels, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry rooms. These boards are treated with water-repellent additives or laminated with moisture-resistant paper to prevent moisture absorption and mold growth. 7. Cost-effectiveness. Gypsum false ceilings are cost-effective compared to other ceiling materials such as wood or metal. The materials are readily available and relatively inexpensive, making them an economical choice for both new construction and renovation projects. 8. Durability. Gypsum boards are durable and long-lasting when installed properly. They are resistant to cracking, warping, and shrinking, ensuring a stable and reliable ceiling surface over time. 9. Easy maintenance. Gypsum false ceilings require minimal maintenance. They can be cleaned with a damp cloth or vacuum cleaner to remove dust and dirt, and any damaged sections can be easily repaired or replaced without the need for extensive renovation work. Overall, gypsum false ceilings offer a combination of versatility, affordability, fire resistance, sound insulation, and ease of installation, making them a popular choice for a wide range of residential, commercial, and institutional applications. Fiberglass false ceiling. Fiberglass false ceilings, also known as fiberglass ceiling panels or tiles, offer several advantages for various interior applications. Here are some of the benefits of fiberglass false ceilings. Acoustic performance. Fiberglass false ceilings are excellent for controlling sound within a space. The fiberglass material has sound-absorbing properties that help reduce noise levels and improve speech intelligibility. This makes them ideal for environments such as offices, classrooms, conference rooms, and auditoriums where effective acoustic control is important. Thermal insulation. Fiberglass false ceilings provide thermal insulation, helping to maintain comfortable temperatures within a room. By reducing heat transfer between the interior and exterior of a building, they contribute to energy efficiency and can help lower heating and cooling costs. PVC false ceiling. PVC plank false ceilings, also known as PVC ceiling panels or PVC ceiling tiles, are a popular choice for ceiling applications due to their versatility, affordability, and ease of installation. Here are some advantages of PVC plank false ceilings. 1. Waterproof. PVC, polyvinyl chloride, is inherently waterproof, making PVC plank false ceilings suitable for installation in areas with high humidity or moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and swimming pool enclosures. These ceilings are resistant to water damage, mold, and mildew growth, ensuring durability in damp environments. 2. Low maintenance. PVC plank false ceilings are easy to clean and maintain. They can be wiped down with a damp cloth or washed with mild soap and water to remove dust, dirt, and stains. Unlike traditional ceiling materials such as gypsum or wood, PVC ceilings do not require painting or sealing, saving time and effort on maintenance. 3. Durability. PVC plank false ceilings are durable and long-lasting. They are resistant to cracking, warping, and fading, even in harsh environmental conditions. The PVC material is also resistant to termites and other pests, making it suitable for use in buildings located in termite-prone areas. 4. Fire resistance. PVC plank false ceilings are typically fire-resistant, offering protection against flames and reducing the risk of fire spread. Some PVC ceiling panels are manufactured with fire-retardant additives to enhance their fire resistance, ensuring safety in case of fire emergencies. 5. Versatility. PVC plank false ceilings come in a variety of designs, colors, and textures, allowing for customization to suit different interior styles and preferences. They can mimic the appearance of wood, metal, or other materials, offering a wide range of aesthetic options for residential, commercial, and institutional settings. 6. Easy installation. PVC plank false ceilings are lightweight and easy to install, reducing labor costs and installation time. They can be directly attached to the ceiling substrate using adhesive, screws, or clips, or installed in a suspended grid system similar to other ceiling materials. This versatility in installation methods makes PVC ceilings suitable for both new construction and renovation projects. 7. Cost effectiveness. PVC plank false ceilings are cost-effective compared to other ceiling materials such as gypsum, wood, or metal. The materials are readily available and relatively inexpensive, making them an economical choice for budget-conscious projects. 8. Sound insulation. While not as effective as other materials like mineral fiber or fiberglass, PVC plank false ceilings can provide some degree of sound insulation by absorbing and dampening noise within a space. Additional insulation materials can be installed behind the PVC panels to further enhance acoustic performance if needed. Overall, PVC plank false ceilings offer a combination of waterproofing, low maintenance, durability, fire resistance, versatility, easy installation, and cost-effectiveness, making them a practical and attractive choice for a wide range of residential, commercial, and institutional ceiling applications. Baffle false ceiling. Baffle false ceilings, also known as baffled ceilings or baffle systems, are a type of suspended ceiling characterized by the installation of baffles or slats that hang vertically from the ceiling structure. These baffles can be made from various materials such as metal, wood, fiberglass, or PVC, and they are arranged in a parallel or staggered configuration. Here are some advantages of baffle false ceilings. 1. Aesthetic appeal. Baffle false ceilings add visual interest and architectural flair to interior spaces. The vertical arrangement of baffles creates a dynamic and modern aesthetic, allowing for creative design possibilities. Baffles can be installed in different orientations, patterns, and colors to achieve various visual effects and complement the overall design scheme of the room. 2. Acoustic control. Baffle false ceilings can improve acoustic performance by absorbing sound and reducing reverberation within a space. The open design of the baffles allows sound waves to penetrate and be absorbed by acoustic insulation materials installed above or within the baffles. This helps enhance speech intelligibility, reduce noise levels, and create a more comfortable environment for occupants, especially in large open areas such as atriums, lobbies, and auditoriums. 3. Lighting integration. Baffle false ceilings offer flexibility for integrating lighting fixtures into the ceiling structure. Recessed lighting fixtures, track lighting, pendant lights, and other types of lighting can be easily installed between or within the baffles, allowing for creative lighting designs and accentuating architectural features. 4. Ventilation and airflow. Baffle false ceilings can facilitate natural ventilation and airflow within a space. The open design of the baffles allows air to circulate freely, promoting natural cooling and ventilation. This can help improve indoor air quality, reduce the reliance on mechanical ventilation systems, and contribute to energy savings. 5. Flexibility. Baffle false ceilings are versatile and adaptable to different design requirements and spatial configurations. Baffles can be installed in linear, curved, or custom shapes to accommodate architectural features and functional needs. They can also be easily reconfigured or removed to accommodate changes in interior layouts or building usage over time. 6. Durability and maintenance. Depending on the material chosen, baffle false ceilings can offer durability and low maintenance requirements. Materials such as metal, fiberglass, or PVC are resistant to moisture, corrosion, and pests, making them suitable for long-term use in various indoor environments. Regular maintenance may involve periodic cleaning to remove dust and debris from the baffle surfaces. 7. Environmental sustainability. Baffle false ceilings can contribute to environmental sustainability by incorporating eco-friendly materials and promoting energy efficiency. Some materials used in baffle systems are recyclable or made from renewable resources, reducing their environmental impact. Additionally, the open design of baffle ceilings can enhance natural daylighting and reduce the need for artificial lighting, furthering energy savings and promoting occupant well-being. Overall, baffle false ceilings offer a combination of aesthetic appeal, acoustic control, lighting integration, ventilation, flexibility, durability, and environmental sustainability, making them a popular choice for various commercial, institutional, and residential applications. Disadvantages of false ceiling. While false ceilings offer several advantages, they also come with some disadvantages. Here are some common drawbacks associated with false ceilings. 1. Cost. False ceilings can be expensive to install, especially if they require additional structural support or complex designs. The cost of materials, labor, and installation may exceed that of traditional ceiling options, particularly in large or irregularly shaped rooms. 2. Reduced ceiling height. False ceilings reduce the overall ceiling height of a room, which can make the space feel smaller and more confined. In rooms with low ceilings, installing a false ceiling may further reduce the available headroom, making it feel cramped or claustrophobic. 3. Maintenance challenges. False ceilings can be challenging to maintain, especially if they incorporate intricate designs or textured surfaces. Dust, dirt, and debris may accumulate in the recesses of the ceiling, requiring regular cleaning and maintenance to keep the space looking clean and attractive. 4. Limited access to utilities. Installing a false ceiling can restrict access to utilities located above the ceiling, such as electrical wiring, plumbing, HVAC ducts, and structural elements. This can make it more difficult to perform repairs, maintenance, or modifications to these systems, potentially increasing the time and cost of maintenance tasks. 5. Risk of concealed damage. Concealed damage to the ceiling structure, such as water leaks, mold growth, or pest infestations, may go unnoticed behind a false ceiling until it becomes a more significant problem. Regular inspections and proactive maintenance are essential to identify and address potential issues before they escalate. 6. Design limitations. While false ceilings offer versatility in terms of design and customization, they may still have limitations in achieving certain architectural or aesthetic objectives. Complex designs or unconventional materials may not be suitable for false ceiling construction, limiting design options in some cases. 7. Environmental concerns. Some false ceiling materials, such as certain types of suspended ceiling tiles or panels, may contain hazardous substances such as asbestos or formaldehyde. Proper precautions should be taken during installation, maintenance, and disposal to minimize health risks and environmental impact. 8. Fire safety considerations. Depending on the materials used, false ceilings may pose a fire hazard if they are not adequately fire-rated or if combustible materials are installed near heat sources. Ensuring compliance with local building codes and fire safety regulations is essential to mitigate the risk of fire-related incidents. Despite these disadvantages, false ceilings remain a popular choice for many commercial, residential, and institutional buildings due to their aesthetic appeal, functionality, and practical benefits. Careful consideration of the potential drawbacks and proper planning can help mitigate these issues and ensure successful implementation of false ceiling systems. Tools required for installation of false ceiling. Installing a false ceiling requires various tools and equipment to ensure a successful and efficient installation process. The specific tools needed may vary depending on the type of false ceiling system, such as suspended grid, baffle, or plasterboard, and the materials being used. Here's a list of common tools and equipment for installing a false ceiling. 1. Measuring tape. Essential for accurately measuring the dimensions of the ceiling area and determining the layout of the false ceiling components. 2. Level. Used to ensure that the ceiling grid or components are installed straight and level, avoiding any unevenness in the finished ceiling. 3. Drill and drill bits. Needed for drilling holes in the ceiling surface and / or the ceiling grid to accommodate screws, anchors, or other fasteners. 4. Screwdriver or screw gun. Used to drive screws into the ceiling grid, supporting structure, or other components during installation. 5. Utility knife. Essential for cutting ceiling tiles, panels, or other materials to fit around obstacles, edges, or corners of the ceiling space. 6. Caulking gun. Used to apply sealant or adhesive around edges, joints, or seams to provide a secure and finished seal. 7. Hammer. Used for tapping ceiling tiles or panels into place and securing them to the grid or substrate. 8. Pliers. Helpful for bending or cutting metal grid components, wires, or other materials during installation. 9. Ladder or scaffolding. Necessary for reaching and working at elevated heights during the installation process. 10. Safety equipment. Safety goggles, gloves, hard hats, and dust masks are essential for protecting against hazards such as falling debris, dust, and eye injuries. 11. Sanding tools. Sandpaper or sanding blocks may be needed to smooth rough edges or surfaces of ceiling tiles, panels, or other materials. 12. Drywall saw or rotary tool. Required for cutting openings in the ceiling for fixtures, vents, or other utilities. 13. Wire cutter. Used for cutting and trimming suspension wires, electrical wires, or other wiring used in the ceiling system. 14. Staple gun or stapler. Used to attach insulation, vapor barriers, or other materials to the ceiling substrate or framework. 15. Painting tools. Brushes, rollers, and paint trays may be needed for painting or finishing ceiling surfaces or components. 16. Drop cloth or plastic sheeting. Used to protect floors, furniture, and other surfaces from dust, debris, or paint during installation. 17. Plumb bob. Helpful for ensuring that vertical components of the false ceiling system are aligned and properly positioned. 18. Wire or cable locator. Useful for identifying the location of electrical wires, pipes, or other utilities in the ceiling space before drilling or cutting. 19. Fasteners and anchors. Nails, screws, anchors, or other fasteners may be needed to secure ceiling components to the supporting structure or substrate. 20. Tape measure. Another measuring tool that's indispensable for ensuring accurate dimensions and spacing during installation. 21. Protective coverings. Plastic sheeting, drop cloths, or other protective coverings can help shield surfaces from dust, debris, or spills during the installation process. 22. Brushes and rollers. These are essential for applying adhesives, primers, or sealants to ceiling components or surfaces. 23. Vacuum cleaner. Used for cleaning up dust, debris, or waste materials from the installation area, ensuring a clean and tidy workspace. It's important to have all the necessary tools and equipment on hand before starting the installation to ensure a smooth and efficient process. Additionally, always follow manufacturer instructions and safety guidelines when using tools and equipment during the installation of false ceilings. How to install modular false ceiling. The installation process for modular false ceilings typically involves several steps, including planning, preparation, and assembly. Here's a general overview of how to install a modular false ceiling. 1. Planning and design. Measure the dimensions of the room to determine the quantity of materials needed for the false ceiling. Choose the type of modular ceiling system you want to install, example suspended grid, cassette system, etc. Select the appropriate materials, such as ceiling tiles or panels, suspension systems, and accessories, based on your design preferences and requirements. 2. Preparation. Clear the room of furniture, fixtures, and any obstacles that may obstruct the installation process. Ensure that the ceiling surface is clean, smooth, and free of any debris or protrusions. Install any necessary support structures, such as perimeter channels or furring strips, to provide a stable framework for the modular ceiling system. 3. Installation of suspension system. Install the main suspension runners or T-bars along the perimeter of the room, following the layout plan and spacing guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Use a laser level or string line to ensure that the suspension system is level and properly aligned. Install cross T's between the main runners to create a grid pattern, maintaining consistent spacing between each T. 4. Installation of ceiling tiles or panels. Place the ceiling tiles or panels into the grid framework, starting from one corner of the room and working your way across in a systematic manner. Ensure that the tiles fit snugly within the grid and are properly supported on all sides. Use a utility knife or saw to trim the tiles to fit around obstructions such as light fixtures, vents, or ductwork. 5. Finishing and accessories. Install edge trim or perimeter molding along the edges of the ceiling to provide a finished look and conceal any gaps or rough edges. Add any additional accessories, such as lighting fixtures, air diffusers, or sprinkler heads, as needed. Inspect the installed ceiling for any defects, misalignments, or inconsistencies, and make any necessary adjustments or corrections. 6. Cleanup and final touches. Clean up any debris or excess material from the installation area and dispose of it properly. Perform a final inspection of the completed false ceiling to ensure that it meets your expectations in terms of appearance, functionality, and quality. Make any final adjustments or touch ups as needed to achieve a professional and polished finish. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines throughout the installation process to ensure a successful outcome. If you're unsure about any aspect of the installation, consider hiring a professional contractor or installer with experience in modular false ceiling systems. Where can I use false ceiling? False ceilings, also known as drop ceilings or suspended ceilings, are commonly used in various residential, commercial, and industrial settings to enhance aesthetic appeal, improve acoustics, conceal wiring and mechanical systems, and enhance energy efficiency. Here are some common areas where false ceilings are used. 1. Residential buildings. Living rooms. False ceilings can be used in living rooms to create a modern and visually appealing ambience. They can accommodate recessed lighting fixtures, ceiling fans, and other decorative elements. Bedrooms. False ceilings are often installed in bedrooms to create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. They can incorporate indirect lighting, decorative moldings, and textured finishes to enhance the room's aesthetics. Kitchens. False ceilings in kitchens can hide ductwork, plumbing, and electrical wiring while providing space for overhead lighting fixtures, ventilation systems, and exhaust fans. Bathrooms. False ceilings in bathrooms can conceal plumbing pipes, ventilation ducts, and wiring. They can also accommodate recessed lighting, speakers, and moisture-resistant materials to improve functionality and aesthetics. 2. Commercial buildings. Offices. False ceilings are commonly used in office buildings to improve acoustics, conceal wiring and mechanical systems, and enhance lighting efficiency. They can accommodate overhead lighting fixtures, air diffusers, and sprinkler systems while providing a clean and uniform appearance. Retail stores. False ceilings in retail stores can create a visually appealing environment for customers while concealing HVAC ducts, electrical wiring, and security systems. They can incorporate signage, track lighting, and display fixtures to highlight merchandise and enhance the shopping experience. Restaurants. False ceilings in restaurants can create ambience and atmosphere while providing space for lighting fixtures, audiovisual equipment, and decorative elements. They can incorporate architectural features, such as curved or vaulted ceilings, to enhance the dining experience. Hotels. False ceilings in hotels can enhance guest comfort and aesthetics while concealing mechanical systems and providing space for lighting fixtures, sprinklers, and HVAC diffusers. They can incorporate decorative elements, such as moldings and panels, to create a luxurious and welcoming atmosphere. Healthcare facilities. False ceilings in hospitals, clinics, and medical offices can improve acoustics, conceal wiring and plumbing, and provide space for lighting fixtures, air diffusers, and medical equipment. They can incorporate antimicrobial materials and easy-to-clean finishes to maintain hygiene and infection control. 3. Industrial buildings. Warehouses. False ceilings in warehouses can improve lighting efficiency, reduce energy costs, and enhance safety by concealing electrical wiring and providing space for overhead lighting fixtures and fire suppression systems. Manufacturing facilities. False ceilings in manufacturing facilities can improve acoustics, control airflow, and provide space for lighting fixtures, ventilation ducts, and sprinkler systems. They can incorporate sound-absorbing materials and fire-resistant coatings to enhance safety and productivity. 4. Educational facilities. Schools and universities. False ceilings in educational buildings can improve acoustics, enhance lighting efficiency, and conceal wiring and mechanical systems. They can accommodate audiovisual equipment, projectors, and interactive displays to support modern teaching methods. 5. Entertainment venues. Theaters and cinemas. False ceilings in theaters and cinemas can improve acoustics, conceal lighting and audio equipment, and enhance the viewing experience. They can incorporate acoustic panels, sound-absorbing materials, and integrated lighting systems to create an immersive environment. Overall, false ceilings are used in a wide range of applications to improve aesthetics, functionality, and comfort while concealing structural elements and enhancing building performance. They offer flexibility in design, allowing architects and designers to create customized solutions that meet the specific needs of each space.